Alright, this is the open box video of the Amazon car jack stand, back to 3 tons. Alright, let's see what's included inside here. Alright. Look inside the welding joint of the 3-ton jack stand by Amazon Basics. Also, it's spec for a 3-ton support. The bottom here is kind of small, but see if it works. Right. So that's that, and it comes with this thing here. See, you lift it, you lift this handle up, and it once goes in, and it's up. If you lift it up, it drops. So, all right, so that's that, and another one. Same thing. All right, it's $30 on Amazon for a pair of jack stand. And what's this? And some manual. It comes with a manual written in so many languages. Steel jack stands. So there's some instruction manual. I'm gonna keep it and read it later on, but the use is very basic, I think. Nothing comes in a box like that. So I'm gonna use it to change my brake pads and rotors on the car today. So hopefully it's gonna be okay. But I wouldn't get under the car with any of these jack stands unless I have another safety feature that I can use in my car, like put something underneath just in case that these jack stands will fail. So all right, so that's how it is. All right, I got my wheels off the ground a lot already, and the Amazon Basic car jack stand wouldn't be able to fit it in at the lowest point. I feel safe when this thing's sitting at the bottom of the jack stand rather than this one extension up a lot more. I'm just gonna do a simple brake pad and rotor change, so I feel safer for the jack stand to be at the lowest point, so it doesn't sit on to some of these freaking, you know, levers that you can drop it like this if you hit this, you know. Anyway, so I need to jack up a little bit, just a little bit more to get in there, and then so it goes in there like that, and I'm gonna drop it down to the stand. So the wheel's already off the ground already, so I don't need to have it too much up to work on my rotors and pads. So which is good. It feels safer if this thing's sitting at the bottom of the frames here. You know, I mean, some people complain about the welding point here, but I don't find it. It's fine. It's gonna last a lot, you know, for 3 tons. All right, that's what it is. Amazon Basic car jack stand, 3 tons, $30 Canadian. All right, good or not, I don't know. We'll see.